Welcome to our channel. Today, let's check out the versatile Danfoss KP-37 pressure switch. The KP-37 pressure switch is designed for reliability and precision in industrial settings. Let's start with the unboxing of this device. The first thing that we can see in the box is the device itself. As you can see, it has a very robust design. From the very first look, it seems like that it can be more reliable than any other pressure switches that are available in market. The second thing that can be seen is the installation guide for setting up the device with ease. This was the unboxing of the product. Now let's dive into the specifications that are offered in KP-37. The operating pressure range of KP-37 ranges between 4 to 20 bars and can handle a maximum working pressure of 28 bars. The process connection that is offered is G1 by 2 inch, which is also called as 1 by 2 inch BSP threads. These are some of the main features of KP-37. Simply, we can conclude that it's engineered to ensure consistent performance even in challenging environments. Next, let's explore its applications in various industries. The KP-37 is ideal for applications where precise pressure control is crucial. Some of the industries where it is used regularly are as follows. First, HVAC industry. KP-37 can be used for controlling and monitoring HVAC system pressures to ensure efficient operation. Normally, it can be used in air conditioning systems, heat pumps, and refrigeration units. Second, compressed air systems. KP-37 usually maintains optimal pressure in compressed air systems. It can be employed in various industries for pneumatic tools and equipment. Third, water treatment and pumping systems. KP-37 can be used to regulate pressure in water supply and treatment plants. Commonly, it can be used in pumping stations, irrigation systems, and wastewater treatment facilities. Fourth, oil and gas industry. In oil and gas industry, it helps to monitor pressure in pipelines and storage facilities, and thus ensures safety and efficiency in drilling and extraction operations. In conclusion, the Danfoss KP-37 pressure switch combines durability, precision, and reliability, making it an indispensable tool across industries. Thank you for exploring the Danfoss KP-37 pressure switch with us. Hope you liked the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.